So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I teach you how to create building destruction effect with using Rodney Fracture tool, right? Okay, see guys, that's my 3D building model. And second one, simple plane, right? See. Okay, so now guys, firstly, I use Rodney Fracture tool, this one, and select this building model and make child with Rodney Fracture. Yeah. So guys, select this Rodney Fracture and go to point generate distribution. Yeah. And increase point amount. This one like 1000 like this, right? Okay, see guys. And guys, hide this dot and hide. Yeah. And guys, I change distribution type. So this one distribution type I change like this. Yeah. See. Right. Okay, so now guys, you can change also axis is depending on your work like this. Yeah, this is also good. And yeah, this is for me. Yeah, I like this one. And increase also more point amount like 5000. Yes, good. Right. Okay, so now guys, that's my simple Rodney effect. And so guys, next one I take sphere. Yeah, so guys, select this sphere and go to back like this and up. Guys, I change radius like 10 and increase segments. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, now I increase frame. Guys, frame I like 400. Yeah, 400 is good. Okay, so guys, select this pair and go to here like this. And yeah, position is good. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, press this animation key. And next one, guys, go to 50 frame. 50 and 50 and change sphere position like this. That's my trigger. Yeah, and press this animation key. Yeah, so go to back and play. Yeah, simple guys, right? See. Okay, so guys, that's it. Now next one, guys, I apply collider tag. So go to here plane and right click simulation tag and use collider body. Select and go to collision. Guys, bounce I like 5 and friction like 200. Yeah, so guys, same, select this tag and holding control key drag and drop on sphere. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, select this Rodney Fracture and this one I apply rigid body tag and guys, increase friction like 150. Yeah, and I go to dynamic and see guys, that's my trigger use on collision. Yeah, and go to back and play. Guys, this animation take little bit time because that's my so much heavy particles. Yeah, see guys, that's so easy guys, right? Okay, so now guys, I change point amount like 2000 because that's my heavy particles. Yeah, right. See. Okay, see guys, but that's not correct. I don't like this type of effect. So now guys, I change some more realistic effect. So stop and guys, go to Rodney Fracture tool and go to connector, this one, and create fixed connector check. Yeah, see guys, that's my connector. And now again play. Yeah, right. See. Okay, see guys, this is much better. Yes. Yeah, good. Okay, so now guys, you can increase connector strength. So go to connector and force like change to 4 to 9 and change more increase like this. See guys, that's my force. And again play. Yeah, right. See guys, that's really realistic effect, right? Okay, so guys, now I change more effect. So stop, and now guys go to here mode and select project. Yeah, go to dynamic. Guys, time scale I like half, like 50, and air density like 10. And guys, also change gravity like 800 centimeter. Yes, right? Okay, see guys, so spare guys little bit increase like 15. Yeah, and guys go to Rodney fracture tool and go to source. Guys, I increase amount, point amount like 10,000. Yes, see, and go to back and play. But guys, see, that's take little bit time because that's my so much heavy particles, right? So stop. Guys, I already create animation like this. See. See guys, that's my final one. Right? Okay, so guys, that's it. My final animation is finished. Like this. Right? Okay, so guys, go to render setting and save. Go to desktop and guys, simple create new folder like this and take any file name and go to output, use all frame. Yeah, guys, use ambient occlusion and global illumination, and yeah, that's it guys, right? So multipass off. Yes. Okay, so now guys, that's it. My final animation is finished. That's my render setting, and change to render, use standard and T, select best and max level like 2. Yeah, right. See guys, that's my final render setting. Yeah, that's it, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. My final animation is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe to this channel. And guys, you can download this project file from my website. It's free. Thank you.